Jai class 9th students. How are you students? Hope you everyone fine. Students, in this computer class today we just revise our previous topic related terms and new terms also. Student, previously I taught you how the network passes from one to another. There is passing medium of network is two. First, wired connection, and second, wireless connection. In the wired connection, there is need to use a cable. But in this wireless connection, there is no need to use the cable. Okay? Why? Because this one network is run by the microwave. Okay? In the form of microwave, this one is flow in the air, and in the wired connection there is need to use cable. Okay? So in the wired connection, the types of wire which I taught to you, types of cable. I think first I taught you twisted pair cable. So twisted pair cable is in this type of cable. Okay? Second one I taught you which one cable? So coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is used, looks like as this one, like that your cable wire. Cable wire it is what? DTS cable wire. This one type of coaxial cable, and last one is fiber optic cable. Okay, so this one three types of wire. Yesterday I taught you. Okay. Now after that, when it is clear the wired connection, after that we discussed wireless communication. In this wireless communication, yesterday we have to learn the important things like that. Microwave, radio wave. Okay, microwave, radio wave, satellite. Next, infrared. Now today we discuss in wireless communication Bluetooth. This wireless communication, another name is PAN. PAN, it means personal area network, because via the Bluetooth we have to connect a small area connection. Okay, when we just use to more than distance, then this connection is not established. Okay. Next, Wi-Fi. Firstly, we just write down the full form of Wi-Fi. Wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. It is the full form of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It connects a computer over the network without any wired connection between the sender and the receiver. Sender and receiver figure in this type you know very well, because previously I make the structure of sender and receiver. Suppose this one is sender computer, it one is receiver computer, and both the connection are connected with the Wi-Fi connection. Then it's easy to share the one computer data to another computer data. It is connected both by which one connection? Wireless fidelity. Okay. Next one is firstly you just note down a important things. Microwave access WiMAX. WiMAX is a type of wireless connection. Okay. So WiMAX is a what? It stands for worldwide interoperability for microwave access. It is a wireless communication media. It functions in a similar manner to Wi-Fi, but is more improved and efficient to provide the high-speed connection 70 megabits per second over to 30 miles. Okay, यह एक ऐसा WiMAX लगा देने से फायदा ये होता है कि ये 30 मील्स मतलब 30 मील तक कवर करेगा और इसकी स्पीड 70 मेगाबाइट पर सेकंड होगी. ओके, सो इट इज स्टैंड फॉर WiMAX. Okay, so now the computer networks connections chapter is finished. Topic is finished. After that we have to knowing about the network devices in the next classes. Network devices we discussed. Network devices. Okay. Let's you just see the topic network devices. It means it is a type of device by which we have to share the network. This is the fundamental terms. It is a connection wired, it is a connection wireless, but it is the main hub. Without not knowing the device, you have not to connect a particular network to another network. So in this next class we have to define the network devices. Let us only two examples I share here. Suppose that if you have the computer, okay, and four telephone lines passes from your side, then if you need to connect the internet from that one line, so which one types of device you have to use to connect the telephone lines is a type of internet connection. Telephone line को कैसे internet connections के रूप में आप establish करेंगे? So there are used to Ethernet card. एक नाम बता देते हैं. Ethernet card. Okay, it is a type of card by which you have to connect your LAN connection. LAN. Local area network connection you have to connect it in where? In the Ethernet card. Okay. When the Ethernet card is a type of network device. When it is connected with your computer system, then you have to perform it for what? To connect the telephone lines by the local area network connections. After that you have to perform the internet. Okay, so it is a one device in the network devices. Similarly, some devices is more than that one devices I taught you after this. Okay, in next class. Hope you understand the all things. If you not understand, then you may call, either you just type in the comment section, sir, this topic I doesn't understand. Then you have to provide the preferred solutions of this. Okay, fine.